Hi, I'm Tony Robbins. For over 40 years, I've been obsessed with figuring out what are the best tools, the best strategies across all the areas that matter most to people's lives, to really manage teams, to lead them, to produce peak performance when it's not there, to turn things around. I have a group of people that I have trained over the years, and they come and lead peak performance workshops for companies all over the world. They work with your team. They give them the same tools I use in myself, for my clients, and also for all my own companies. I want to give this to you right now at no charge for you. It's led by, again, one of my peak performance strategists, and it gives your team a chance to really come together and connect, led by a person who's an expert in the field using these tools. And these are the same people, by the way, that'll walk your people step by step on how to really master each area. I think you'll find it fun, enjoyable, and impactful. And this team people that I have traveled with me around the world. I've handpicked them to deliver value to businesses just like yours and really help serve these communities.